Hi, welcome back. For this episode, we're going to be looking at crazydavesfireworks.com. And we land on the landing page. Looks like we've got some Black Cat, Atomic, which I haven't heard of, Cherry Bomb, Dominator, Shogun, Winda. So let's take a look at their site here. The 2018 Summer Mega Liquidation Fireworks Sale. Marion, Citrus, Hernando, lowest prices. Visit your local Crazy Dave. So it doesn't look like that they're going to actually service online. But let's see what they've got though. So let's start off with their artillery shells and reloadables. Okay. Nice little mouse over. New for 2017. Excalibur, Divide and Conquer. Let's take a look at go to link. What link are we going to? YouTube. Okay, so got Sky Inc. Obviously no prices. They do have video. Let's see what else we've got here. Let's go to some 200 gram multi-shot. So it doesn't look like we'll be able to purchase online from them, but again, click below for video, no pricing. 500 gram multi-shot, anything that, try to look to see if there's anything that we haven't seen before. Metal Flake by Rattler. Again, I'm not going to spend a lot of time because there's no pricing, as well as it doesn't look like we can order online. So it's an informational site. I like their background. Some Roman candles. Let's see if there's anything under assortments. Pyrolite, Pyro City. Looks like a lot of these are just Black Cat assortments. And application for managers, contact. Let's see where their contact information here. Crazy Day Fireworks. Newsletter, some outdated reviews. See if there's anything else that's kind of outstanding here. Crazy Days, they do some fundraising. And just kind of takes us back to our home page. Gallery of fireworks photos. Oh, let's take a look at that. Let's see what this is. Ooh, kind of like that. It's kind of neat. Kind of looks like they're just showing you more of what the different effects are. It'd be kind of cool though if you did when you do the mouse over, they tell you what kind of effect it is, so you can kind of see it real time. What's 3D art box? Custom designs, create fabricated. Now, I don't know what that has to do with fireworks, but. And then 4th of July. Okay, hardest hitting fireworks that were sold. This is kind of cool because they've got the video right there on the page. There we go. There's the locations. So it looks like they've got pretty much 10. They're pretty much local. No real pricing on products. So it does kind of make it a little difficult to kind of competitive shop. So let's take a look here. See if there's anything else, opportunities, contact, safety tips. So really more of an informational website. Not really a bad layout. Got some cleanup to do. But again, even if you're in Florida, in around those areas, would be kind of nice to see what the prices are, so you can comparative shop before you you head out to buy your fireworks. But again, not able to order online, so we'll kind of go ahead and end our assessment here. And I thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. You can also like and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram, where our mission is to help you light up the sky.